GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Today we're going to be using this hair to do French curl braids. We actually did not use all of this hair. Look at hair. This is so much hair, you guys. Ashley is back. All right, so I'm going to be installing this using the regular box braid method. So with the regular box braid method, her hair is the third strand, and because it is so silky, I try to separate her hair on all three strands, so that way the hair is not sliding off, it's not going anywhere. And so we're going to braid all the way down, and then I'm going to show you how I lock the curls, because if you don't find a way to lock the curls, not the ends, then it's going to pull apart. Now this hair is synthetic, and so I posted a shorts and someone was asking what if you wanted to take the braids out. But most of the French curl braids that I've installed are synthetic hair and get snappy after a while. So very rare that you can actually reuse the hair if it's synthetic. See, it's all just kind of getting knotty already. So, all right, we're gonna braid down. All right, so to lock it, we're going to push the crochet needle through, and then we're gonna wrap the hair around it twice. Then we're gonna lock it and pull it through. So watch closely. And then you're gonna pull that through. You'll have to tug on it a little, and that's pretty much it. All right, now I'm at the top portion of the head. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Now I'm using at the very top, because her hair is so thick, I am using the knotless method at the top. And I'm not using a lot of hair, because her hair, with this French curl braids that we're using, her hair is more than enough to make it look full. I just need to make sure that these split ends are not peeping through. you're still watching, thank you so much for being here. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you found some value in this video.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.